You are now inside the Oreo cookies factory, where thousands of Oreo cookies are produced every single minute. Today we are inside the Oreo cookies factory, where full Oreo cookies manufacturing happens step by step. All Oreo cookies start from tested raw materials arriving here. Every Oreo cookies ingredient is scanned and tracked. We test cocoa for every Oreo cookies batch. Flour consistency controls Oreo cookies texture.
Sugar quality keeps Oreo cookies taste stable.
Now Oreo cookies dough mixing begins. This is the signature Oreo cookies chocolate dough. Speed and temperature are critical for Oreo cookies dough. Mixed Oreo cookies dough moves to forming line. We flatten Oreo cookies dough evenly. Sensors keep Oreo cookies thickness perfect.
Here, Oreo cookie shapes are cut.
Each Oreo cookies biscuit is identical. Nothing from Oreo cookies dough is wasted.
This is where Oreo cookies pattern is pressed.
Every Oreo cookies design must be clear. Now Oreo cookies baking starts. Different heat zones bake Oreo cookies evenly. Color tells us Oreo cookies are perfectly baked.
Cooling protects Oreo cookies crunch.
This snap sound is perfect Oreo cookies texture. Now we prepare Oreo cookies cream.
Oreo cookies cream must be smooth and fluffy.
Cream moves to Oreo cookies filling station. Each Oreo cookies gets exact cream amount. Now Oreo cookies sandwich is formed.
Pressure locks Oreo cookies together.
Cameras inspect every Oreo cookies.
Imperfect Oreo cookies are removed.
Weight control ensures uniform Oreo cookies packs. Oreo cookies are arranged for packing.
Oreo cookies are sealed for freshness.
This seal protects Oreo cookies quality. Each Oreo cookies pack gets a batch code. We double check Oreo cookies packaging. Cartons are filled with Oreo cookies packs. Now Oreo cookies retail packs move into automatic carton forming. These cartons for Oreo cookies are formed automatically from flat sheets.
Measured groups of Oreo cookies packs are loaded into each carton.
Carton flaps for Oreo cookies are folded in exact order. Hot glue seals the Oreo cookies carton base. Hot glue seals the Oreo cookies carton base.
Now the Oreo cookies carton structure is fully sealed and stable.
Cameras check that every Oreo cookies carton flap is properly aligned. Each Oreo cookies carton receives a production code for tracking.
Oreo cookies cartons are grouped in uniform rows.
The tray holds Oreo cookies cartons securely for transport.
Glue seals the outer tray holding the Oreo cookies cartons.
Here, multiple Oreo cookies retail cartons are packed inside a standard corrugated shipping case designed for snack distribution. Compression ensures the Oreo cookies shipping case remains secure during stacking and transport. After final sealing, these Oreo cookies shipping cases are dispatched to distribution centers worldwide.